Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect PixelTap to Bybit. Open Telegram, go to PixelTap by Pixelverse Chat and tap Launch Bot. Tap on Start and there you will see the balance. Next, tap on the button on which the balance is displayed. Go to your ID number and then you will be directed to the dashboard. You can view your account and go to Rewards at the bottom. There are different rewards provided and tasks. In the Home tab, tap on the shield icon in the top right corner. Tap Connect New Wallet button at the bottom. Next, select Bybit and tap Yes, I have it if you have an account. Then you have to enter the deposit address in the given field to receive tokens. Now open Bybit and go to the Assets tab at the bottom. Tap Deposits and select the payment method. Select the chain type you want to deposit like TON. Copy the address and paste it on the Telegram app. Tap on Made It and the wallet will be connected. You can select another wallet to connect to Bybit. Once it is connected, the message will be displayed. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.